We had our partners PEFA suspending support to county government of Kisii, but today we want to report that that suspension has been lifted, and therefore our employees are back to work. The ones who are supported by the US government, they are reported on Monday, and therefore we want to ask our people that the government is in control, and they will continue enjoying the HIV AIDS related services that they have been getting for so many years, that the US government has been supporting not only Kisii but the entire government of Kenya. So we are grateful to the US government and to the partners who are supporting us in the county government. We start in 90 days as they review the program, and we are hopeful that we'll get a positive review, and we shall continue collaborating with the US government, particularly in Kisii, insofar as